Are you finding it difficult to know if buyers will reject your home even before they walk through the front door? Does the exterior make your property look neglected? Will cracks or peeling paint or that stain on the roof scare buyers off before they've even seen the inside of your home? Here's what's happening right now, and if this isn't sorted out, first, buyers are judging your home from the street before they even get out of the car. If the gardens are overgrown, the walls look tired, or the security gate is rusted, they're already forming a negative opinion, and it's hard to undo that first impression. Second, and this is costing you online as well, your listing photos are probably the very first thing that buyer sees. And if the exterior looks outdated, poorly kept, or the photos the buyers scroll through, they go right past your listing. And here's the real danger. If this isn't fixed, buyers start assuming that if the outside hasn't been looked after, the inside probably also hasn't been looked after. The plumbing, the electric, the roof, all of that. And that assumption alone can cost you thousands of rands. And even worse, buyers just walk away and they go look at the next home. My name is Adnan Jacobs. I work with my son Saud. We are Team Adnan Jacobs. I've been selling homes for the past 32 years in Cape Town. I've sold homes during the 90s when interest rates went as high as 25%, throughout the lockdown and the pandemic, throughout the 2008 market crash. So I know what makes buyers' decisions. I've watched buyers make snap decisions from the pavement more times than I can count. And I know exactly what turns buyers off and what turns a first class into a serious offer. Before we get into the solution, grab my free guide right now. Click the link below or scan the QR code. It's called Curb Appeal That Sells. The exterior checklist buyers can't resist. And I'll walk you through exactly what to fix first. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Look at your home from across the street like a buyer would. Stand across the road and really look at it. Is the paint faded? Is the roof stained? Is the garden overgrown? This is exact first impression every single buyer gets. So start there. Step 2. Fix the visible damage first. Cracks, wall paints, peel paint, roof damage. These are things that worry buyers most because they read it as a sign of bigger problems. A fresh coat of paint and a properly patched crack can completely change how the home is perceived. Step 3. Tidy the garden, the boundary. Cut the lawn, trim the hedges. Clear any clutter along the fence line or boundary wall. A neat garden signals a cared for home and it makes buyers feel safe walking up to the door. Step 4. Check your security features. A rusted gate or broken intercom doesn't just look bad. It makes buyers feel uneasy about safety. Fixing these small things goes a long way in making the property feel secure and welcoming. Step 5. Update small outdated features. Things like an old number, a tired front door, a worn out light fixture. These things are inexpensive to replace, but they make a huge difference on how modern and cared for a home looks. Step 6. Get the photos right. Once the exterior is looking at its best, make sure your listing photos are taken in good natural lighting. Ideally in the morning or in the late afternoon, and from angles that shows your home at its best. That is what gets buyers to actually click and view the rest of your listing. If you're getting ready to list your home and you want to make sure that the exterior is working for you, not against you, click the link below or scan the QR code to get my free guide, Curb Appeal That Sells. It shows you exactly where to focus your time and your money, where it will make the biggest impact. Look, you don't need to spend a fortune to fix. A few focused improvements to the exterior can completely change how buyers perceive your home and how much they're willing to offer for it. If you'd like to get some help with your home's exterior and you're ready to impress buyers, click the link below or scan the QR code and get my free guide, Curb Appeal That Sells Homes today. I'm Adnan Jacobs and I'm looking forward to helping you.